welcome back to my channel Meevasu. Today's video is all about how to groom your perfect eyebrows. It's very simple and all you need is any eyebrow pencil and a spoolie. That's it. Make sure your eyebrow pencil is tabbed and have a very perfect tip. To start with the eyebrows is keeping your pencil on the first starting line of the nose. Draw a line, straight line. Once the line is there, now you have to make sure that you are creating an outline. Always go with the lower eyebrow side. You got this lower line. Now the outline for the top part of your brow. The process that I am showing you all is something that I follow regularly and I thought it would help you all. If you want, you can just make little tweaks that will adjust to your eyebrow shape. After drawing the outline, you already have the desired shape of your brow. Now the tail of the brow is also very much important, so just make sure the length, how much you want. Take a spoolie. Blend the outline that you have created into the eyebrows. Take the pencil and fill the gaps. Make sure you are filling the brow the way the hair is growing so that it will give you a natural look. It's done. That's it. Now let's do for this eyebrow. Groom your brow with the spoolie. The eyebrow pencil. See, I'm just drawing this line straight to the nose. Now the straight line has come. See that the brow at the starting and the end points of the brow that you have already done is equal to the other brow that you are doing it. So I'm just imagining that there is a line. Yes. Now comes the part of outlining your eyebrow. Always start with outlining the lower side of your eyebrow first. As soon as you do the outlining of the eyebrow, you will feel so good. You already got the shape of the brow. So now the upper outlining part. Always try to outline the shape of your eyebrow to blend it with your natural eyebrows. Outlining part is finished. Take your spoolie and then blend the outline that you have created into the eyebrows to remove those harsh lines. Again, take your brow pencil and then fill the gaps. It's as simple as it. Don't worry if you're not getting for the first time. For sure you will get after 1 or 2 trials. Only thing that you have to ensure is that you are drawing your eyebrow outline perfectly. I like to have a full filled eyebrows. That's the reason I even fill in the gaps here. If you don't like that, you can make it a bit lighter at the starting and then make it dark throughout the brow. I'm just making sure that there are no gaps and the eyebrow is all in shape. Done! That's it! you think that I have given you some inputs to groom your eyebrows, please do like this video, share and subscribe to my channel,